Hey guys, it's Monsters here. Today we are gonna be playing Subway Surfers. And I've already played this game before here in my tablet, so I'm not gonna have the starter stuff. So okay, let's just play it. I'm literally in the same day. I did how to make a YouTube video. And actually put on YouTube. Boop. Boop. I have the girl. Bye. Oh. Okay. Use it right now. Yeah. Should we get this? I have a magnet. Don't mind if I do. Okay, we got absolutely no coins. That's so great. I love it. I love it a lot. It's like the greatest thing in my life. Not really. This is gonna be the last video I'm gonna do today. I wanna do one tomorrow because it's a Saturday and today is a Friday, so there's no school tomorrow for me. Woo! So excited. So one more week for my school and then my school is over. I go to third grade. My high score is look at my high score, 20-something thousand. That's actually really good. Let me just die. Wait, let me just get these coins for a minute. I love coins. Let her go. Flow. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. No, what is that? Unnecessary data. Okay. 34,000. Gosh. Wow. That is a lot. Okay. Gosh. Missions. Oh, get higher scores. Complete a mission set. Finish 3 missions to be. Show missions. Complete 1 daily challenge. 1 left. Dodge 20 barrels. Where are the barrels? I don't really know what are the barrels. Oh, that's good. Oh, barriers. That is in barrels. Okay. This is diamond. See. Whoa. I got a lot more. I need 4 or 5 more. Tap to continue. Boom. Almost 1,000. Missions. Buy 1 mystery box. 1 left. Oh gosh. I guess I have 20 something. Wait, how many coins do I have? Gosh. No, puppy. There. Oh, of course. Okay. Guys. It's a dog. No, I don't want to do that. Guys, I'm going to end the video here. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!